Hello students, this is your social science teacher. I am here taking again first chapter of geography, that was resources and development. Children, since there were some audio problems in the chapter, so I will teach you this chapter again, especially from where there you got some audio problem. So first of all, we have to take a quick recap on the chapter that was started from the topic resources. Children, as I explained you, what are resources? Everything which is available in our environment and useful to us is resource. So I explained some topics that were meaning of resources, classification of resources, and in this classification of resources, I divided into two parts, natural and human-made resources, and we discussed a lot about it. And then there was resource development and plannings, and after this it was sustainable development. Children, today I will explain this chapter from topic 2, that is land resources. So let's have a look on your NCRT. Children, there are various activities that are performed on land. It is a natural resource of almost importance. It supports natural vegetation, wildlife, human life, economic, political, social activities, transport and communication system all happen just because of this land resource. Children, it can be classified as mountains, plateaus and plains. How much part is covered of land by mountains, by plateaus, or by plains? And what is the importance of all these three things? What is the importance of mountains, plateaus, and plains for various purposes? And also we will see how much part is covered by these three things. 27% of the earth is covered with plateaus. 43 part, 43% part of the earth with plains and 30% with mountains. I think you understood 27% part is covered with plateaus, 43% plains and 30% with mountains. Now, what are the benefit of these three things? So first, as you know, mountains account for 30% of the total surface area of the country and ensure perennial flow of some rivers. Many rivers emerge from mountains and provide facilities of tourism and ecological aspect. So in this way, mountains are important for rivers and tourism as well as ecology. And what is the importance of plateaus? How plateaus are important? So as mountains are important, in the same way plateaus are also important because plateaus are known for its rich resources, its rich reserves of minerals, fossil fuel and forest. So they are good for minerals, fossil fuels and forest. And third, how plains are important for us? There is various activities which are performed on plains, and actually 43% of the land area is plain, which provide facilities for agriculture and industry. In this way, all these three things are very beneficial for us. After this is land utilization. How land is utilized, for which purposes land resources are used. So there are many things. So first is forest, second is land not available for cultivation. It means the land which is not suitable to grow crops, means which is barren, or wasteland, means which is non-agriculture. It is not used for agriculture. Third, other uncultivated land, means fallow land. Fallow land means follow land. Fallow land means permanent pastures and grazing lands, and land under miscellaneous tree crops like pastures, as well as some, I mean to say, meadows or orchard, where the land cannot be cultivated but giving its utilization. Fourth, fallow land. Other uncultivated land and fallow land, they are similar enough. So same, which is left without cultivation for one or less than one agricultural year. And fifth is net shown area. Net shown area, area shown more than once in an agricultural year, plus net shown area is known as gross cropped area. It is used for agricultural purposes. So in this way, we can see land utilization as forest, land not available for cultivation, third, other cultivated land, fallow land, and net shown area. Now I will be discussing about land use pattern, land use pattern in India. Children, as you know that India is a vast country, and total geographical area of India is 3.28 million square kilometer. So according to area, India is seventh largest country of the world. And do you know, at present there are about 130 million hectare of degraded land in India, and approximately 28% of it belongs to the category of forest degraded area, while 56% of it is water eroded area, and rest is affected by saline and alkaline deposits. Some other human activities are responsible for this, so we will be discussing about them later. So now, how much proportion should be in India of forest? It should be at least 33%. But in India, forest is less than the desired 33% and value 28%. This is the proportion of forest land in our country. It means they are far below to 33%. And as I explained you, about 130 million hectares of degraded land in India, in which 28% forest degraded, 56% water eroded, and 16% saline and alkaline deposits. So they are some natural factors that are affecting our land resources. Some human-made factors are also there. And which are those human-made factors? Like deforestation, overgrazing, overmining, over-irrigation, etc. So there are two types of reason, as I explained you, natural factors and human-made factors, which are responsible for the degradation of land resources. Children, the land resources, it was a very important topic for you, interesting as well. Tomorrow we will be completing next topic of the chapter, that is soil resources. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye.